Alright, so what I'm going to be doing today is showing you how to replace this door on a 2006 Lexus is350. Here's our donor door. It has a little ding here. It's not bad. It is a lot better shape than our other door, but it is, however, a different color. So what we're going to do to fix that is wrap the entire car in a black with a blue sparkle from Luco vinyl. I've already wrapped one of my other vehicles. This Miata has been wrapped for a little over a month now, and it's holding up great. Alright, so first things first, you got to remove the door panel. You need one of these little plastic trim tools. You insert it there, pull it out like that. Get your Phillips, take that out. I already did this off camera. Take that same trim removal tool, insert it here, lift up. There's gonna be the switch right here. Unplug the switch. There's a little press that in. Pull straight out. That comes off. There's a 10 mil that goes in there. I already took it out, remove that. Right here on the bottom. Straight out. On the corner. My side, this side. Once that pops free, I'm gonna just grab here and here and lift up, shimmy it. Try to keep this together as it wants to come off. So it comes up. You're gonna have these two levers that connect the door handles right here. So you're gonna pull straight out. All right, straight out. There's one little plug here. I can't see what I'm doing. I'll show everything right now. All right. You need to unplug this plug here. And then on these, they just slide in here and then the cable goes into this. All right, once you get your door panel off, you're gonna come in here. They got this cover for this. Just gonna pull it out. So let me show you. Just pull it out and lift straight back. All right, there's a 10 right there. Then you got 4 12 millimeters that you need to remove from these door hinges, okay? But before you do that, you need to, it's on this side. You need to pull this grommet back, okay? And there's a plug in here that puts power to the door. You need to unplug this. So you're just gonna work this out, all right? Just like that. And it will come out, okay? Once that's there, you just push here and pull, okay? And this will disconnect. You remove your hardware, your whole door will come off, okay? Make sure you have an extra set of hands or you're ready to catch that door. It weighs about 30 pounds or so. All right, once you got that out, you're gonna go ahead and get one of these. It's a 12. I just did this. I'll edit this in, but yeah, this doesn't really happen this way. This is what she looks like. Go get the new door. All right, so what we're gonna do, you're gonna get your hardware. You get the door. Throw it up on your shoulder. And what you need to do, you need to take these 2 bolts, and you need to be the robot that's at the factory, right? All right. I hope y'all seen that. Seeing me struggle a little bit. Lift with your foot. Kind of shimmy. All right, and then we're gonna plug this back in, right? All right. Let's. Once you got everything all aligned, you're gonna snug everything down, tighten everything up, put some blue Loctite back on that one. I'm gonna transfer the speaker and all the electronics from that door to this door, and we'll be good to go. Throw the door panel back on, and then we're just gonna go ahead and wash it, play bar the car, and then yeah, we'll be ready to wrap it. All right, she's all back together. Kitty noodle. This is the old door. You know, someone probably could push this out, but not gonna be me.